Hi, here's a quick video on how to change the time on a 2019 to 2023 Kawasaki ZX-6R, otherwise known as a 636. So you need to put your motorcycle key, turn it to the on position. You can see everything start up. Our time right now is 1:27. Daylight savings time just happened. It should be 12:31. To change that, you need to press both of these at the same time and hold them in. And you'll see the time flash. Once the time is flashing, you can press the bottom button for hour. Now the hour is flashing. Let's get the hour fixed first. So we're going to change it to 12 o'clock. Press the top button until you get to 12. There we go. Now press the bottom button to switch to the minute part of the time. We're going to change it to 12:33. Press the top button now to change it to 33. And when you're done, press the bottom button. Once the hour and minute are flashing, press the top button. And now you have your new time, 12:33.